Hi there! In today's video, I'll show you how to do screenshots on your main screen and on the cover screen of your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Let's get started. As a first step, what we need to do a basic screenshot, we would need to click on these two buttons which you can see right here, which is volume down button and power off button. If we will click on them at the same time, we will make a screenshot. We can take a look on it. Here is it, how it looks. Now let me show you how to do scroll screenshots. Scroll screenshot is a type of screenshot which can capture a whole website. So I have opened Google and now we are doing basic screenshot. And now we need to continue on clicking this button, which you can see on the bottom part of your screen, until we will capture everything that we need. After you are done, click on any place on the screen and the screenshot is done. To take a look how it looks, we need to go to the gallery and here is the screenshot. It looks like this and you can see everything in details. Now let's move on to the cover screen. So on the cover screen it works the same as on the main screen. To do a screenshot we need to click on the power button and volume down button and the screenshot is done. We can see it like this. And the scroll screenshot works the same way. We will open Google Chrome and make one more screenshot and continue clicking on this button until we will capture what we need. Just like this, then click on any place on the screen and let's check it on our gallery. Here is it how it looks and we can also check it in details. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you so much for watching.